Welcome to IBA Therapy Center. We are here for your special child.
If your child is not talking too much, delay speech or language, stammering problem, speech is not clear, lack of expressive language and poor communication skill,
struggling to focus or frequently getting angry, we can help your child to overcome behavior challenges, sensory integration,
learning visibility, building attention, and much more. Does not your child mix with other children? Is your child struggling with poor social performance and poor eye contact?
Maybe your child has autism or ADHD, cerebral palsy or Down syndrome. If you see any type of unusual behavior, definitely come to us.
Provide occupational therapies, speech and language therapy,
Special education, behavior therapy, child and parental counseling, and psychometric testing.
If you want 1:1 classes, yes, our sessions are available offline and online.
We provided all therapy together under one roof.
feel free to message or call get started.
Our address 150/2/2 Dr. Suresh Chandra Bose Road, Alochaya Bus Stand, Gandhi Museum,
Beleghata, Kolkata 10 near Shialda station.
All professionals are RCI certified. Our timing 9 AM to 6:30 PM, Tuesday to Sunday. Namaskar.